So this is just going to be a quick what's in my fridge and freezer. I have not done one of these in a very long time. I haven't really filmed anything in a long time, but let's jump in to see what's in here. So in my freezer, I just have some turkey bacon, some ice cream, which is not very good, but whatever. I have a lot. I'm getting back into doing smoothies, so I'm gonna have a lot of like random frozen berries. So I just have this berry medley. This is berry medley from Trader Joe's. I have these pineapple chunks, some organic brown rice, which is actually really good from Trader Joe's. If you have the chance to get it because it's so delicious. Some blueberries, some turkey sausage, strawberries. These are actually fresh ones that I did put in the freezer. And then I have some more mango. These are just some little waffles, protein waffles from the Kodiak cake mix that I made and put in the freezer. So if I'm ever busy in the morning and I just need a quick breakfast before work, I use these. I have 3 packages of this organic ground beef from Costco. I get these and put them in the freezer for if I need to do like tacos or something for dinner or something quick. Some more blueberries down here and more blueberries. These are good again for a quick morning breakfast. Just these Jimmy Dean English muffin, egg white, turkey sausage breakfast sandwiches. And then I have chocolate chips, which I've had in here for a little while. I haven't used them yet. I have the last of my chicken from Costco. These, which I got from Trader Joe's, which looked really good. These apple blossoms. I haven't tried them yet, but I will. Another ground beef. And then I have these that I got from Costco last summer. They are the acai berry smoothie bowl starters. So those are pretty good. Oh, these are more waffles, but they're actually kind of freezer burned, so I'll probably take those out of there. So that's all that's in the freezer. Let's go down to the fridge. And all of these like paintings and everything that are on the outside are from my cousin's daughter, Riley. And then my fridge, I just have minced garlic from Costco. And let's see, I have almond milk vanilla from Trader Joe's. I have these Tillamook cheddar cheeses that I just take to work with me. I'll take like one and have it as a snack. I have the Trader Joe's Green Dragon hot sauce, which I've yet to try, but I'm going to. And then this is all of my beer. I don't usually drink a lot of beer. I'm somebody who, will see it and be like, oh, this looks interesting to try, so I'll buy it. Won't ever try it. Like I bought this last summer, this Strawberryta. Haven't touched it yet. But I will tell you that I do love the Citizen Cider Unified Press hard cider. It is delicious. That's one of the things that I will actually drink. So moving up to the top shelf, sorry, I have to crawl on the floor. I have my parents' extra gallon of milk because their fridge is full upstairs. I have the Kerrygold Irish butter from Costco. It's like $8 or $9, I think, for 4 bars of it, which is a pretty good deal. I have this Tillamook medium cheddar cheese that I have not grated yet, but I usually like to try to do like grated cheese. Alright, sorry about that, guys. My camera died and I completely forgot that I had my batteries upstairs. Anyway, I just have this matcha almond beverage from Trader Joe's. I have not tried this yet. And then I just have a Gatorade because I do get sick very often, so I like to have Gatorade in the fridge. Moving down here, I have a lot of these peaches and creams waters from Walmart. I'm trying to slowly move away from soda. It is hard, it's a process, but I do find myself not craving soda as much anymore, which shows me that I am making progress. But just in case I do want like the carbonation, I do gravitate towards these more, so I just have a whole bunch of them in my fridge. I have this salad that's left over from last night that I made. I made lasagna, salad, and then garlic bread, which is on top here. I have these 2 hummuses, which I got from Trader Joe's. I've had the roasted garlic before, which is delicious. This is like my favorite hummus. I'll have it with like pretzel thins. And then I have this chocolate hummus, which I have not tried before, but I'm super excited to try as like a dessert. And then I just have, ooh, excuse me, a dressing that's just, you know, not too healthy, but not horrible. I have 2 packages of chicken that I got from Trader Joe's. I have not tried these yet, so I wanted to give them a try. This is the grilled balsamic vinegar and rosemary, and then the lemon pepper. So I'll like cook these and put them on salad or something. And then I have Vermont maple syrup, and then just some organic ketchup from Target. Last shelf, I have another wine. This is a rosé. I think I got this from Trader Joe's. This cherry blossom rosé. I love rosés. That's like my favorite wine. Rosés and white. I can't really do red. I keep trying different types of red to see if I can do it, but it just, some of them don't work out. And then I got 2 packages of just ground turkey from Trader Joe's. These are really good price. It's like $2.79 for a pound of it, so cheapest that I found around. And I just have some random baking soda to get any smells out of here. The bottom, I just have these chocolate carrots that I got for Easter like 2 years ago. I haven't even had them yet. And then I got some jalapenos because upstairs I have some avocado, so I want to try to do guacamole. And then in this bottom shelf, I just have a whole bunch of bags of spinach. I heard from, oh my gosh, I cannot remember her name. I think her name is Cambria, but she's on Instagram and YouTube. I'll link her down below. But she said if you get like the big packages of salad, to just separate the bags of lettuce into smaller bags so they don't go bad as quickly, which is a really good tip. I just have a whole bunch of bags of spinach, and then in the bottom I have a huge bag of kale that I use for smoothies. And that's pretty much it. Kind of empty fridge, but you know, we're slowly getting back into this health and fitness for the new year. So I hope you guys like the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!